i-post niya sa ay, sa FB. Ano sabihin
Parang
ko?
pang ano.
Ano sabihin ko? Guys, I want you to be whatever. This is Andre.
Hi, thank you so much for inviting me. I had so much fun.
I want to thank all of the sponsors of the production ministry. Come and be alive.
Come on,
Ministry. We're all pretty girls and handsome boys.
It's not an accident.
Oh, I love my eyes. I like.
Parang kung may contacts.
Parang kung may contacts, ang ganda-ganda. I swear. Ay, hindi. Last na lang. Commercial to. Hair still in place. Ano ba yun? Ano yan eh? Si Casey. Ano yun? I don't know. Hair still... Hair still in place. Oh my gosh, I forgot. See you in FB. Yun lang.